Hello, this is another invention by Gene Bowdish. When we had our baby, we were told that we needed to use a breast pump. And when you use two of them, it's much faster, quicker, but they said the hospital supply had no way to be able to turn it on with your foot. So I made this. On, off. Of course, the light would be the breast pump. On, off. And if you want it to run for longer, on, you push it with your foot. Push it off with your foot. Push it on with your foot. Let it run. Push it off with your foot. On, off. On, off. Now, why the hospital supply didn't have anything like this, I don't know.